Well, Diamond Certified has been beneficial to me, in that, they print in the newspaper, the list of the Diamond Certified companies, and I have people calling me and congratulating me on being certified that way. The other thing that I find most importantly is that the people that come in that are referred or find me through Diamond Certified, they're interested in quality. They're interested in a fair price. They're not trying to save money or nickel and dime things. They want things done the right way the first time. And we pride ourselves on doing things right the first time.